Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to use Python again, and this time we are doing simple regression, but rather than diagnostics, we'll go and check multicollinearity in detail. So previously, in the video we focused on only the VIF part as a source of indicator for correlation and the scatter plot. In this video, there are more indicators that can be used to check presence of multicollinearity. So we'll start with loading relevant libraries. So it's pandas, okay, NumPy, stats models, and Seaborn and matplotlib. So when I press shift plus enter, first of all it will open the terminal and then start loading the libraries one by one. If they are not installed, it will say it didn't found the library, then you have to install the library. So you will see an empty arrow here when all the libraries are loaded. As we have discussed earlier in the earlier videos, why we write import like this, like import pandas as pd, because whenever we want to use the panda function, if we don't make a short name, what will happen is you have to write the full names. I will show you the example. For example, in this line, I want to load the data. So if I don't import pandas as PD, or if I only import pandas, I have to write data equal to pandas dot read underscore stata and the link. So when you run it, you will see it will load the data.